Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here pre-planning for the week of February 10th through the 16th. And this is Valentine's week, so I wanted to do like a love themed kit. So this kit is Hey Bae from Victoria Thatcher. And I liked all the little like cute lovebirds and stuff. In addition to that, I have these very skinny ones are from Dollar Tree. These are from Amazon. And this one's Scotch, and these two are from Michael's. So yeah, that's all I pulled. I probably am going to need some other things, but we will get there when we get there, I guess. I might, hang on one second. I'm going to pull my leftovers book, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my leftovers book, just in case I need it. I feel like a habit tracker might be nice to have. So I'm going to put down the bottom washi, and then I'm going to use these three to be the headers. So that is going to take basically forever. So I'm going to speed you through all those things, and then I will be back. Double box, and I like scattered the headers, so I don't know how that would look because I need to make sure I don't like go with the headers then. We might just try it anyway. I think I'm trying to decide which one I want to be like the up here. Since this one's here, maybe I'm going to use this one that says Be Mine up there, because I want to divide up these cupids, but I don't want it to like exactly match the bottom washi on the same page, if that makes any sense at all. That does not seem totally straight. Close enough. We're going to go with it. Okay, so if I go here and then here, I can go top, middle, bottom, maybe? Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to do the double box on Wednesday and Thursday. Apparently didn't do like a great job cutting these. But we'll make it work. Well, we always get to see how well this like pink goes with the pink that's already in the kit. Since that's now one of the headers, I feel like that goes really well. It's obviously not exactly the same color, but I'm happy with it. Okay, in terms of over here, I think I want to put the little lovebirds on Sunday. I know I said I was going to sort out Monday first, but whatever. I think we're going to put the key on Monday. Or we could put the lock and key by each other. I'm just gonna put this here. Every time I spend a lot of time thinking about the full boxes, I feel like it doesn't really work out that well for me. So it might be better to just like stick them down and just be like happy with them, you know? Oh, that's already stuck down. I feel like it would have been better to put the Cupid in the middle over here. I don't think it's gonna come up. We're just gonna go with it and it's gonna look fine. And all my freaking out is gonna be for nothing, because that's usually what happens. Let's be honest. All right, I'm gonna stick this one on the bottom. All right, I think that turned out pretty cute. Okay, so now on the sidebar, this is my like, I still can't decide if this is straight or not. We're just gonna deal with it. I'm gonna stick down this washi, I think. Just to kind of like divide up this area a little bit. Then this doesn't come with any habit trackers, so I'm going to see if there's one in my leftovers that I like. I don't really have that many habit trackers left right now. I have this one here. And this one that doesn't really go, and this one that doesn't really go. I might need to print out some more habit trackers, but I'm going to use this one, which is a leftover from, oh, I don't know who that's from. I want to say maybe like Creative Cavern Studio. Okay, so there's that. Then I'm going to use the purple washi. It's not really like a logic to how I pick my washis. I'm leaving this like tiny sliver on either side of the habit tracker, just because I know it's like a lot of pink that's kind of like all smushed together. And then I'm going to put in this guy. So this is going to be used to track my dinners for the week. I'm going to turn this sideways because I want it to line up like this. Okay, that seems good. Put down some washi tape. And then I just need to fill this part in here. Let me see if this like fat washi tape fits. As pretty well as it fits in the space. Don't exactly know what's underneath this bit, but it's gonna be fine. All right, that like fills in the bottom enough that it's all good. Okay, so on to the weekly plans. So Monday, I think I'm gonna use this like full box thing here. one says, hey babe. There's not really like a rhyme or reason to how I'm picking these. I don't know. This one seems like a good choice. So I'm going to put this up here. And then in here, I'm going to put does this go? Sure. I'm going to put a little book icon from Prairie Planner. And then underneath it, I'm going to put let me see if I can like find it. That would be super helpful. I'm going to use this pink one. It's a film tape from Piper Paper Company. So this is going to be for Contemporary-a-thon starts, and then this is for film edit upload. Nothing else is scheduled for Monday right now. Tuesday, the only thing I currently have scheduled is a late game for curling. I need it to go right here, so I think I'm going to use the hot pink one just to kind of like spread out the colors a little bit more. Late games are always exhausting, but we do what we gotta do. I'm just gonna use from Prairie Planner. I know that this is not like the right blue, but I think once the spread is done, it's not gonna be a bother. So I'm just gonna put in the curling stone from Prairie Planner. That's Tuesday done. Wednesday, I don't know what's happening on Wednesday. We will just keep going. Thursday, I also have nothing scheduled. Friday is Valentine's Day. But perhaps more importantly for my purposes, I'm going to just use this love one. My husband and I are going out to like a fancy dinner. So I'm just going to put that in, and in there I have these are from Fox and Cactus. I haven't even used them. I'm just like hoarding them ridiculously, but I'm gonna use one. It's her little like couple cats. I'm gonna use this one where they're like dining out, looking fancy. And then Saturday and Sunday I have nothing scheduled right now. So this is what my pre-planning looks like. Super boring, as I mentioned, but it's really just like crank out trying to find a job. So that's what I'm doing this week. All right, so I'm gonna fill in the stuff I do know right now, and then I will be right back. All right, there we go. This is the iHow 0.38 pen, if I didn't mention it. All right, so that is everything I have right now. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I did not use any foil this week, but I think it's still really pretty. So I will go through everything. If I don't mention it, it is from the kit, which was from Victoria Thatcher. All these headers are washi from Dollar Tree. This is a leftover from Creative Cavern Studio, I think. Maybe, fingers crossed. Nope, probably from Chasing Chouse. And then this washi is Scotch. This comes from a Prairie Planner, Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio. These extra boxes in this color are all, in fact, all my little extra boxes are from my leftovers from last week from Creative Cavern Studio. Sarah Elizabeth Prince, Courses Creations, Prairie Planner, Plannerology Studio. This is another box from Creative Cavern Studio. This washi tape's from Michaels, Creative Cavern Studio, and so is the box. These two are I think probably Plannerology Studio in my leftovers. Piper Paper Company, the skinny washis from Amazon, Creative Cavern Studio, Fox and Cactus, Creative Camera Studio, Creative Camera Studio. In my leftovers, this is probably Plannerology Studio. In my leftovers, more Michael's Washi, Creative Camera Studio. And that is everything for this week. So I love how it turned out. I love the colors. It was like not super traditional Valentine's Day, but still a super Valentine's Day spread. Yeah, as always, please like and subscribe below. I really appreciate it. Comment about what you thought about this spread and your favorite shops for Valentine's Day themed kits. Also, check me out on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see my in-progress spreads and the finished spreads. I tag all the shops. And until next time, bye!